Hello, my beautiful friends. What's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. This is a bright day of my life because my four cryptocurrencies are moving upward with a positive change. And now, in this video, I'm going to show you the price predictions of my Chalice coin. What's the price change to gold and Chalice? I'm also a holder of Chalice, and if you are a holder, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Now let's start the video. In this video I will show you the price prediction of Chalice, what's the current change occur, what's the previous last one day change in the Chalice. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Chalice coin. As you can see here, friends, that is the last one day price predictions of the Chalice coin. First of all, we look the chart analysis of the Chalice coin. Absolutely a very complex structure of the Chalice coin chart, as you can see here. So in this chart, the one talk is clear that a Chalice coin starts jumping in a 1 minute and falls down in a 1 minute. As you can see here, after now I'm going to zoom it. As you can see here, now it is clear to understand you, it is easy to understand you. In a 1 minute they take a jump, and after a 1 minute they take a falls. So they will change your life in a 1 minute. If they take a high jump in a 1 minute, so that will change your life in a 1 minute. Now let's see the price prediction. The change occur in the last one day as negative because the continuously falls of the challenge. That is why the change is negative. 9.05% change occur in the challenge in the last one day, my friends. And the high price of challenge is about $0.055066 is the high price of challenge in the last one day, friends. That is a live price prediction of the last one day of the previous last one day. Absolutely bad change occur. I am very angry to see this kind of changes. There has a unique my coin that are continuously in the falls. Then now the last 1 hour price prediction, the current change occur in the challenge is also in bad and negative. Negative 4.33% change occur in chalice coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price is same dollar 0.473539 is the high price of chalice in the last 1 hour, friends. If you look the chart analysis of the chalice coin, so as you can see it continuously falls occurs, and the chalice coin now they are also in the falls mode. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. My suggestion for you to challenge holders, that's only my suggestion. I'm not a financial advisor, as I told you. If you are a holder, so my suggestion for you, as you know, the both changes, as I show you, the last 1 hour change, the last one day change, both are in negative. So my suggestion for you, that is why, that please hold your chalice coin and be patient for a big jump of the Chalice coin are coming soon. Wait for the big pumps of Chalice, and please wait, hold your coin. And if you want to buy a Chalice coin, so my suggestion for you, it's not the best time. As you know, the both changes are negative, they are in the false mood. So please, when the start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy a Chalice coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay connected and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.